Hey guys, it's Emmylou. I'm going to draw you, I nearly said a cheetah, a leopard today. Maddie, I'm drawing this for you and also everyone at the schools I teach. We've been doing awesome leopards. They've come out so well, so I'm just going to show you a few. This is our 6-week project, so next week they're taking it home. So they did a toucan, a snake, a tiger, a monkey and the leopard. Leopard looks really cool. So there's another one. How cool is that? So that one is, can't see the name on the back. And then this one. So they're really, really awesome. Love the monkey. So yeah, we're going to do a leopard. It's really easy. It's so easy. I think if you say to yourself it's easy, then it's easy. Right, you need a piece of paper and a pencil. This is my red marker pen, just because I think it's going to be easier for you to see how I go over lines. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So first thing you need is, think about rainbow. Everything starts with rainbow. Do you like my bit of jungle? I thought I'd go for a jungle theme. Jungle. So, okay. So, we're going to do a rainbow. Then you're going to go, la. Then, once you've done that, like, it's just a line. So then you're going to go, so it's like what is it? Just like a nice curve. So then you're at the end of the nice curve, you're going to do triangle. So do a first bit like that, which is at the top of the triangle. My fringe is so long now. So the first bit of the triangle. Oh man, that's my pencil lid gone. And then, if you're a bit older or more experienced, you can make it more into a nose because it will be more roundy. Like it would be more rounded like that. But then you want to do a little nose, like these little bit, nostrils. Then you're going to go a line down. Do a line down, not too big. You want like a little line down. It's going to be a little bit like a tiger, but it's of the same family. Then you're going to go, wow, that looks cool. I love doing, I love drawing cats, like different big animals. And then this side everyone found a little bit difficult, so you've just got to touch that bit there and make it rounded and go up to there. So if you can't do that, just think about, then we're going to do the chin, so just a little chin, and it starts about there, and you're going to go, nice. Okay, there's the chin. Now it's coming from the side, it's like the side head of the side of the head. So we're going to do an eye. Now there's an eye that goes in here, so just like a little bobbly bit, just a bobbly bit. And then, because it's part of its cheek, it's under its eye. Then, just to make it look quite cool, just do like a flick because it's like a little eyelash. It's so warm in here. It's going to be a warm day. Okay, and then an eye, another eye. Try and keep it a little bit away from this eye. So we're going to go, whoa. If you can't do that, just think about a rainbow. Just everything's rainbows. Flowers and rainbows. It's not actually flowers, is it? Okay, so then, if I've done that too fast and you think, what did she just do? Just do an upside down rainbow and you can make these little bits pointy. So where's a piece of paper? I think I just ripped something important on the other side. I've got a list and I ripped, anyway. So you could do a rainbow like that and then just add the triangles in from a slanty bit. Try that. Okay, right. Then we're going to do an eyeball. Oh, they always look like otters, which is fine ultimately. Then you want like a little iris in there, pupil, just because then you can see. It's always good. Then just do that little bit here, just, and And then we're going to do whiskers. Cats have whiskers. So you're going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just don't do too many. Like, you can if you like, but it just ends up looking a bit like an otter. Okay, once we've done that, he looks really friendly actually. Could be a she, doesn't have to be a he. And then we're going to do an ear. Now, I'm just going to do it here. We're going to do an ear like a triangle there. You could do a big triangle, like it doesn't have to be that shape, do triangle. Now it has to go over this line, so we have to rub the line out, which I can't do. So we're just going to pretend it's not there. I can make it 3D by touching this bit and going, Nyong. Okay, then another ear. Triangle. Just another triangle ear. Triangle. Okay, now he's on a branch, he's on like a, he's on a log, like a log branch. So just touch there, just about there, and you're going to go all the way to the end of the paper. And then you're going to get your pencil and you're just going to touch that bit there. And you're going to go just down. Now I don't have any room to do the paw, but you may. So I'm going to curve it. I'll curve it anyway, just so you can see. So you're going to go down like a U shape. So you're going to do like a U. It looks like he's going, oh, but like a U shape. So down, U, that bit. So this bit's a bit, needs to be rounded. And then think about his arm. He looks really cute. Think about his arm is quite long. Like our arms are quite long. So think about your arms being quite long. And then just going to do a body. So just like that. Just a line. Just like that. Then you're going to do, I think there's a delivery for me outside. Just ignore that for now. And then we're going to just take, you know that bit there that you had? Put your pencil there and you're just going to do that. Because it's a bit of his head. Right, now's the fun bit. Well, it was fun anyway, but you know what I mean. Okay, so we're going to do the branch. So he's on the branch, which means he's on it. Don't worry about putting a gap because he's on the branch. So draw over, and then when you get to here, just float, fly away, and then carry on the line. So if you're not sure how to do that, touch, float, draw, because you don't want to draw over the, I said lion, leopard. Okay, and then think about the log being here, and it's going to go. So he's on a branch. He's chilling out. He's enjoying himself, and we're going to do some spots because we don't want uniform spots. We want some like we don't want it to look like a cow. Just realised a spotty cow can sometimes look like that. So just misshapen, which means wobbly, really. Wobbly. They've got loads of spots on them. When you get near the face, they get smaller. They're like little smaller little spots. I'm sure I've missed something out. I feel like I've missed something, but I don't think I have. Oh, he looks cute. Okay, right. Don't know if you watched my other YouTube video, but I dropped my pastels all over my dad and mum's floor. My dad found this the other day and said to my mum, "What's this from?" And then they watched my YouTube video and realised why. So I couldn't make it up. I was like, oh no. You need a black now, so get your chalk pastels. Now if you don't have a chalk pastels, doesn't matter, you can have anything. As long as it's kind of this colour. Just get my list though. Okay, about that colour, a little bit like sand. And then you need a black, which I've lost on my dad's floor, my parents' floor. Black. So a black pastel, a brown pastel, and a sandy colour pastel. That's brown, dark brown. But if you can't find pastels, that's okay. Just use anything. Coloured pencils are fine. Okay, so all you need to do, I mean, if you're going to really take time, just go around the spots with this colour. But just for the sake of the video, I'm going to go over because it doesn't matter because you've already got, it's so light the colour that you can see through it. So it doesn't matter. And when you get near the face, if you want to be extra super special, because we didn't worry about it in the lesson, but you can leave some of it white, like you can leave some of that white. So once you've done the sand colour, just get your one little finger and then smudge. I mean, mine's huge. He looks like he's in the palm plant. That's kind of cute. Whew, it's very warm today. Right, okay. Okay, we're doing this, let's go. Okay, right. Now we need a dark brown, or do you know what? We also need a light pink if you want the nose to be light pink. It doesn't have to be light pink. Let's do a fluorescent pink just because he's feeling happy. Whoa. Fluorescent pink. Then we could do blue eye. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. Oh. Blue eye. Then dark brown. I'm trying to be a bit fast just because it's nice for you to it's nice for you to see it and just do it, if that makes any sense. Because if I'm taking a long time, it can get a bit tiring. So just do that, take your time. Obviously pause the video if I'm going too fast, but that's roughly what you want. I'm not doing it that neat, but you need to do yours neat. One little finger, smudge away. Smudge away. I did a mural in a school the other day and someone said to me, you should be on Britain's Got Talent. And I wasn't sure what that meant, because I thought I'd have to do a mural like super fast, which I guess I could do. Anyway, black pastel. Right, this is the best bit. Well, as well as the other thing. Just go over my red lines, so it will be your pencil lines. This makes it look cool. Obviously in nature, nothing's got a black outline, but this makes things stand out. So it's really cool when you're drawing a picture, especially with chalk. It's mainly with chalk that I do black outlines to make everything stand out. You don't have to worry about the spots. And there is your leopard. He looks so cute. You go over one finger, as though you're taking yourself for a walk. So you're taking your finger for a walk. A lot of people don't like smudging, but it looks awesome when you do it. And then a little bit of black for the eye. Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, if you've got that line there, rub that out there. So rub it out of your rubber, but I've got a pastel to rub it out. Then what you could do is get a green and a brown and just, because it's quite nice when he's on a log to do more than one colour. So just a bit of green, bit of brown, and then, and don't worry if you're getting a bit messy. I mean, I'm really messy, look at that. Oh. And then smudge away. Right, if you're a bit older, you might want to put some shade in. Or not older necessarily, just more confident or whatever. So you just could put a little bit of shaded there. You don't have to do this. But if you want to, then feel free. So a bit of shade in there. And you just kind of smudge in. So blend, blend, blend. And it just makes him look like he's a bit more three-dimensional. So more realistic in some ways. Oh, he looks so cute. I want to take him home. Kind of is home, isn't he? Right, okay. So that's all you need to do for your leopard. How cute is that? If you want me to draw anything, just let me know. Emmylou Art. It's going to lick my fingers, which is not good. Also, this is my book. So we've got loads. I mean, I've got loads of stuff in there that you can colour in and you can learn how to draw. So go to Emmylou Art and you can buy it online or on Amazon. Feel free to just leave me a message below and just let me know what you want me to draw. Like and subscribe, because I want to do one every week. I want to get you all drawing and I want you to sort of understand that anyone can draw. It's just a matter of how to do it. So yeah. Okay, enjoy your day, and next week I'm going to draw. What should I draw? Let me know what you want me to draw and I'll do it. Okay, see you then. Bye.